Morning everybody, Farmer Dan here. It's a very windy, cold morning in the barnyard and I thought I'd let you say hi to the goats. So I have food, so they're paying very close attention to me. Here's Indy right here. There's Glow, and let's get you guys eating. So this is cracked corn. They also eat hay, but you know, they're being a little picky. So we're holding off on the hay for this morning so they can work on this a little bit. Casey and Seamus are having their morning rumble. Morning, guys. Yep, go, go. Come on. That's right. Who's the dominant border collie? This Pippin's he's just watching for now. Oh, this is how they get their energy out in the morning. Good morning, ducks. And geese. Good morning, chickens. And guinea hens. Oh, it's windy. Come on, let's go. So I just fed the chickens. They have plenty of food, but for some reason they're following me. Guys, your food's the wrong other way. I don't have any food.